Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today let's talk about a beverage known as tea. 茶。这差不多一样嘛哈 Tea. You know why? Because a lot of people like to drink coffee nowadays. 其实很多人，连我包括我自己在内啦，很喜欢喝咖啡，可是忘记茶，它是一个非常比咖啡还要健康，然后也是可以提神的一种饮料。
冲啊，
对不对？
他们豆啉茶，
多喝茶，对不对？And you know what? A lot of Hakka here in Taiwan, because tea leaves are planted in the mountains, and a lot of Hakka live in the mountains, and so therefore a lot of tea that we drink today are manufactured by Hakka. 其实好像因为客家人很多都住在这个山腰啦、山区里面，
种茶的啦，
所以就很多种茶的，对不对？所以我们喝到的茶，其实有很多人呢都是
Hakka种啊。
That's right. A lot of Hakka. Actually, we drink a lot of Hakka tea probably. So let's go ahead and name some more of the popular tea that is out there. For instance, I think the number one tea is 乌龙 tea. 乌龙茶。
乌龙茶。
乌龙茶。Okay, and then very popular nowadays, I think it started with the Japanese, is 绿茶 green tea.
绿茶.
Then there's something called the 菊花茶 or the chrysanthemum tea.
菊茶.
OK.
就是红菊茶啦，菊花茶啦。
对，其实菊花茶有很多种类嘛，对不对？还听说还有一个叫杭菊茶，对不对？红菊茶。Okay, that's a different type of chrysanthemum tea. There's a lot of varieties. And then finally, actually, about a month ago, I think we introduced this to people. The Hakka have a very special tea called the lei tea, the 擂茶。擂茶，顺便擂一下，对不对？擂茶 which is a combination of tea and also sesame and peanuts. Let's review some of those tea names. The oolong tea.
乌龙茶
The green tea.
绿
茶 The chrysanthemum tea.
菊花茶
And finally, 擂茶 lei tea.
擂茶
So again, drink tea as often as you could because it really is a healthier choice. And after a meal, when you have tea, it dilutes all the oils in your body. So it's good too. 可以去油. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.